Are you okay?
Yes, I'm quite okay.
I don't want to be rude, but you seem to have a lot of trouble seeing in the dark.
Me? I've got eyes like a hawk.
You may have good eyesight, but you can't see any contrast in this weather. You know, I'm studying medicine. I think you ought to see one of my colleagues soon.
An initial examination of the visual acuity produced good values. Maybe the precocious student wasn't so far off the mark with her comment about contrast vision.
Mr. Schneider, your short-sightedness has changed. You need a new prescription for your contact lenses. Still, we have to look for your problem. You complain about poor vision at night. This has something to do with contrast sensitivity, and we're going to measure this with a new instrument now.
N-S-O-Z-O-E R-H-N-X-K-C.
Okay, thank you very much. You got until row number 5, which is not normal for your age. Normally they would read until line number 7 or 8. Therefore, I would suggest to refer you to the eye clinic, where we can test the contrast vision more in detail, also regarding a cataract.
The LUVIS device was developed at the Steinbeis Transfer Center Eye Trial at the University of Tübingen's Eye Hospital, because the current ISO norm for vision tests cannot be met under different room lighting conditions.
The ISO standard requires an evenness of about plus-minus 20% around the mean value of the luminance. With LUVIS Mini, on the other hand, we achieve an evenness of plus-minus 3% around the mean value of the luminance by using especially arranged LED lines.
Research and the further development of new therapies need a standardization of the measurement conditions for worldwide reproducible clinical trial results. The new Corvinus contrast chart, with its new optotypes and printing technology, is also to become a benchmark.
LUVIS means indeed a significant progress for the use of contrast charts. In examinations according to the driving license regulations, LUVIS achieves comparable and equal conditions for any driver tested. In clinical trials, where we want to develop new treatments for eye diseases, often many hospitals worldwide participate. And by LUVIS, we achieve comparable conditions for the test of contrast vision at any hospital. By that, the trial results become more reliable.
Your lens is not really clear. You can sit back. Actually, you do not need to worry, because your visual acuity is quite good. Lens opacities affect primarily contrast vision, that means vision in dim light. So lens opacities will get more, but if it gets too bad, we can do cataract surgery and your vision will normalize again.
Both LUVIS devices set new standards in measurement and diagnosis in clinical practice and research.
LUVIS Mini is an ideal product for our customers worldwide to light up pretty much any vision chart evenly and correctly. This makes eyesight tests a lot more precise, and you can completely rely on the results of contrast vision tests. Since LUVIS Mini is such a unique product, we can not only market it in Germany, but also in other countries around the world. And as it makes contrast vision tests much more precise, we can set new standards all over the world.